First look and hands-on of iPhone 15 Spigen Ultra Hybrid S case. If you're interested in buying this case, you can check the link in the description below. The Ultra Hybrid S for the iPhone 15 embodies both minimalism and functionality. It features hybrid technology for optimal defense against impacts while preserving clarity with zero yellowing. For added convenience, Ultra Hybrid S comes with a built-in kickstand with our classic metal kickstand bound to add convenience when reading or watching videos. Ultra Hybrid S has everything you need in its slim but functional casing, a clean and timeless design that keeps your phone looking as good as new. The Ultra Hybrid S shows off the look of your device while the outer bumper adds edge protection and the backing keeps it scratch-free. Plus, the kickstand brings a new level of viewing convenience. Your iPhone 15 becomes stylish and convenient at the same time. Clear polycarbonate back shows the beauty of your iPhone 15, while built-in magnetic kickstand brings convenience in hands-free viewing. TPU bumper provides protection from bumps while keeping a slim profile. The Ultra Hybrid S from Spigen combines a TPU bumper with a polycarbonate back, creating extreme dual protection. The case acts as a bumper by wrapping itself around the sides of your device, while the transparent back panel offers fantastic protection for the back of your iPhone 15. A transparent polycarbonate back with a slim design, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid S case for the iPhone 15 maintains the original look of your smartphone, while ensuring it is fully protected. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid S for the iPhone 15 embodies both minimalism and functionality. It features hybrid technology for optimal defense against impacts while preserving clarity with zero yellowing. For added convenience, the back features a metal kickstand for tireless hands-free viewing whenever, wherever. Ultra Hybrid S has everything you need in its slim but functional frame.